Om Namah Shivaya. Pranams everybody. Hope you're all doing good and safe. Greetings from Navyoga. My name is Naveen. You may be already aware of the situation outside. The number of COVID cases are rapidly increasing. The second wave seems to be far worst. So on this point of view, it is our moral responsibility to self-isolate. So on this point of view, I would like to let you know that all the yoga classes are only online at this moment until the situation comes under control. So what it means that you can attend the choice of your time from your home. Please contact with your yoga teacher. They'll help you to log into the class if in case you're already not doing it. Many of you are in fact attending online. This is the time where we need to have a lot of self-control, mind control, and not just yoga. You do any kind of physical exercise that seems to be good. And I vouch for yoga because not just because I run an institute, because I've experienced the better results. So yoga is always a combination of body, mind, and the breath and the consciousness. And please do make sure that you practice yoga, not necessarily with us, anywhere that you feel comfortable. What is more important, your practice, your self sadhana, your self awareness. When the breath is unstable, the mind becomes wavering. So when the mind is too wavery, then your soul, your Atman, then doesn't get a stability. So when you bring the breath into control, then the mind settles. When the mind settles, then your soul gets a direction, gets a light. So it's all to work on the breath. That's why many of the medical schools and medical organizations, the health organizations are recommending pranayam. So make sure that you do Nadi Shodhan pranayam, Brahmari, Bastrika, Kapalabhati, any of the pranayam of your choice. Kapalabhati and Bastrika have much more effect because it cleanses your lungs completely. It brings out all that viral infections and bacteria from your lungs, which get stored at the bottom of the lungs. Please do encourage the yoga practice for people around you. In case if anybody financially cannot afford to attend of the any class, please do let us know. We are humans first, and we would like to extend our support to bring the harmony within the self, and we would like to work for the society to ensure that we spread what we have experienced with. And wishing you all the best, and keep yourself safe, stay isolated until the situation become better. And thank you so much. See you all in the online classes.